guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a Nerf gun Retaliator. The first thing you do, you're gonna always want to have a loaded clip on you, and make sure to cock back the slide when you're putting this in. You're going to put the clip in, cock the slide forward, and always remember to have extra bullets on you. Then you put on the stock, you put on the barrel, and you put on the grip. This is how you assemble a Retaliator. And see, it even works. Did you start? Mm-hmm. Okay. I just realized I messed up and we have to restart this entire thing.